Hello fellow TikTok enthusiasts. In today's video, I'll walk you through various methods to contact TikTok. Whether you need support, want to report an issue, or have questions, we're here to help. Let's dive in. Step 1. Use the TikTok application. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device, sign into your account. If you're not already signed in, tap your profile photo in the bottom right corner, click on the three dots, menu, in the upper right corner, select Settings and Privacy. Step 2. Report the problem. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. Explore available options, Account and Profile. For issues related to your account settings, content and community, to report. Inappropriate content or harassment. Privacy and safety. For privacy concerns, Other. If your problem does not fit into the above categories. Step 3. Use the feedback form. If you prefer web-based communication, visit the TikTok contact page. Fill out the feedback form with details of your issue or query. Submit the form and TikTok support team will review your request. Step 4. Email TikTok directly. For specific issues, such as legal issues, you can email TikTok directly. Legal inquiries, legal@tiktok.com. Media inquiries, press@tiktok.com. Business inquiries, business@tiktok.com. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any contributions for us, please leave a comment below.